Hello friends, welcome to today's cleaning video. So today we're going to be doing a power hour video, which I actually haven't done in a really long time. The last one I did was about 8 months ago around Christmas time, and then before that it was like 4 years ago. So I'm actually really excited to do this video. I have my list, my to-do list here of things I need to get done. So if you don't know what a power hour is, it's pretty much getting a list of things done as quickly as possible within an hour. So before we get started, I'll show you the list of things I have to get done within that hour, and also I will show you what the time is so that we can know how much time I have. So for starters, I will show you my to-do list here. It says make bed, clean bathroom, start laundry, dust, vacuum, clean the living room, and then if I have time, I will switch the laundry over. But we'll see if I have time because my washer runs for about 57 minutes. So I'm not sure if I will have time to do that, but I did put it on my list just in case. So yeah, those are all the things I need to get done before my time runs out. If you do want to participate in this and you feel it would be easier for you to set a timer for an hour, you can always do that. For me, I have enough clocks around that I'll be able to know, okay, I only have a certain amount of time before I need to be done. But before we show the time when we get started, go down and hit the subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Definitely go over and follow me on Instagram, do all the nice things, and yeah, I will show you the time and we will get started. Okay, so right now it is, you can see that, oh, it is 5:28. So I have until 6:28 to get all of my lists done. So yeah, let's just get on into this power hour.
We've been driving around, singing songs way too loud because we wanna. Picking up all our friends, fill up the car till it bends because we wanna. Yeah, we just wanna have fun. The trunk's full of wine. We're gonna stay up, have the time of our lives. The night is young, don't need anybody else. We came to party all night long, and we don't need no chaperone. We don't need nobody's attention, yeah, we just wanna dance on our own. We came to party all night long, and sing along to every song. We don't need nobody. baby. You if we dance in the blizzard, we are not getting cold. So keep on dancing, baby. Dance, 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 yeah. Dance, yeah. Baby. Dance, 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 yeah. Dance, yeah. Baby.
Alright guys, that is all for today's video. So I did end up getting done with about 4 minutes to spare. If I remember correctly, I'm pretty sure I started at about 5:23 or 5:24, something like that. I even ended up actually getting a phone call in the middle of all of this, so I did pretty good. So this is my list. I got everything done except for change the laundry to like switch it over because it is not quite done yet, which I figured as much. So other than that, I did get everything else done on my list. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, you know, go down and do all the nice things. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!